The next sum, that is a C sum, that is a minus 36 divided by minus 9. So my solution will be, here they have a given minus 36 divided by minus 39, sorry 9. So divided by minus 9 is equal to minus 36 divided by minus 9. Okay, minus minus is cancelled, that is minus minus is plus. So here I am going to reduce these fractions, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, right? So my answer will be plus 4. Okay, next I am going to move to the D sum, that is minus 49 divided by 49. So here my solution will be, that is minus 49 divided by 49. Here minus 49 divided by 49, that is 49, 49, if I am reducing 49 by 49, the answer will be 1, right? So here minus is there, minus plus is minus, so my answer will be minus 1. Okay, we move to the next sum, that is a E sum. My E sum will be 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so here my solution will be 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so I am going to solve the first bracket part, that is a minus 2 plus 1, right? So 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is there, so minus plus is minus, so 2 minus 1 is 1, my answer will be minus 1. So here 13 by minus 1 is the minus 1, here my numerator plus, my denominator will be minus, so plus minus is minus, so my answer will be 13, minus 13. Okay, so plus minus is minus, so minus 13 is my answer. Okay, next we move to the F sum, that is F sum will be 0 divided by, that is minus 12. So here my solution will be 0 divided by minus 12. In already we have learnt the property that 0 divided by anything is 0, right? That is 0 divided by A is equal to 0 for A is not equal to 0. By using that property, we going to write that is a 0 divided by minus 12. Therefore, I will write 0 divided by anything will be, my answer is 0. Okay. So next we move to the G sum, that is my G sum will be minus 31 divided by bracket of minus 30 plus minus 1. Okay, so my solution will be, here what they have given, minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. So I will write, that is I am going to solve the first bracket part, that is minus 3 divided by minus minus is plus, so 30 plus 1 is 31, so plus 31 is my answer. See, minus 3 divided by 31. Okay, so this we can't able to reduce this fraction, so keep it as such, that is my answer will be minus 3 by 31. Next we move to the sum number H sum, that is H sum will be that minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So my solution will be, I am going to write the question as minus 36 divided by 12, okay, divided by 3. So I am going to solve the first bracket part, that is minus 36 divided by 12. Okay, so divided by 3. Here my 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. So minus 36 divided by 3. This I am going to write it as such, 36 divided by 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 12s are 36. So my answer will be minus 12. Okay. We move to the I sum, that is my I sum will be minus 6 plus 5 that divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so my solution will be, that is minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1, right? So here I am going to solve the first bracket part. see the first bracket, that is a minus is there, minus 6 plus 5. So minus 5 minus into minus plus is minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. My big number will be 6. So the before symbol is minus. So my answer of the first bracket will be minus 1. Okay. Next see divided by, put divider symbol, and then next will be, see this minus 2 plus 1. So minus plus is minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my big number will be 2. Before symbol is minus 1. So minus 1. So I will write it as minus 1 divided by minus 1. See here minus minus is plus. So I will write it as 1. Plus 1 is the answer for I sum. Okay. We move to the next sum, that is a second sum. Verify, that is verify that A divides B plus C. B plus C is not equal to A divides B plus A divides C for each of the following values of A, B and C. Okay, so they have given a values for A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 2. So we going to verify that whether the LHS is, that is we have to prove that LHS is not equal to the RHS part. Okay, first we going to take a LHS part, that is my LHS part will be A divides, my LHS part will be A divides B plus C. Okay, A divides B plus C. So I am going to do substitute all these values in this. My A value will be 12 divides, my B value will be minus 4 plus my C value will be 2. Okay, so now here I am going to solve this bracket part, that is a 12 divides, minus plus is minus. So 4 minus 2 is 2. My big number is 4. Before symbol is minus 2. So minus 2 is my answer. Here 12 divides minus 2. Okay. See here I am able to reduce these fractions, right? That is a 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. So plus minus is minus. Minus 6 is my answer for LHS. Therefore I will write